How to remove and uninstall Apache Tomcat 10 on Windows 11. So that we now exit from a browser on Apache running on Apache Tomcat 10. Then stop is startup. Then we go to service. Then service Apache Tomcat. Apache Tomcat 10. Open on it. Already stopped the service. Now I close this service. Now we go app installer. From setting, click on apps, then install apps. Then find Apache Tomcat 10.1. Remove it. Click it. It's successfully removed. Now we go its installation location, program file, Apache software foundation, delete it. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Our Apache Tomcat is successfully uninstalled.